Good day. Today we're talking about we're going to look at the unboxing Brick Headz, Lego Brick Headz. I got two of these for a gift. One was for probably one Christmas back, so this one is the further one, and another one I'll record in a bit. So this is the Simpsons Brick Headz, and these are usually like kind of like custom designed characters. You see them there. They had like DCU ones and other ones, and this is the Simpsons one, which is cool. I like it. You get Krusty the Clown and Homer the Simpson. As you can see, they're very specific shapes. Kind of look like these weird Lego characters, and then they're not actually that large. They're pretty small. I think they're maybe this big. They're about the size. That's probably like almost real size. Not very large. I'm gonna pop it open here, and see if I can record it like this. Catch you some of it without falling down. And see what's in the box. Okay, so not easy to open. Not sure where you open. Here it is. That's what the finger's for. Well, they sealed the box with lots of glue. So, as you can tell, they sealed this quite well with some glue. And gosh darn it, dude. Two bags and two instructions. Two instructions. So what I'll do is I'll build this, and then you'll see an end product. Okay? Okay. Quick update. Just finished the Krusty the Clown. Took a little over 20 minutes. That's what it looks like. Okay. Not very huge. As you can see, it's a very odd shape. A lot of pieces. Okay. The instructions were bag 2 with its own set of instructions. Bag 1 is Homer. I'll probably be working on that in a bit. And then here's some extra pieces. They always give you an extra couple pieces in there for some reason. Okay. Okay. So this second one, a little bit faster. Probably did it in 15 minutes, but it's the Homer. As you can see, something like Homer. It has its own manual. It was bag number 1, and there's quite a few extra pieces. The funny thing about this one is there is a little secret pocket where you pull out his stomach, and you can see inside his donuts. So there you go, the Homer, the Simpsons. And you get these two. Thank you.